What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Bike Riders. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is on Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. It's a walk around and a review video. In this video we are going to see some specification and know some history of GSX-R 1000R. It was introduced in the year 2001. It is the legendary superbike. Suzuki GSX-R 1000R, it has been 3 decades and more than a million sold since it was born in year 2001. More than 17 years since the GSX-R 1000R transformed the open sports bike class. The 6th generation GSX-R 1000R redefines what it means to be the top performer. It is the most powerful, hardest accelerating and cleanest running GSX-R ever built. The 2017 model introduced had a significant redesigned engine, the first time since the last engine update on the 2009 model. This new engine has a higher RPM limit and a no balancer shaft. The quill vibrator, also a mechanical vibral wall timing used for the 10 years by the Suzuki in MotoGP and drive-by-wire throttle. The model is the first to get traction control with a IMU. All the lights are LED and another first on a GSX-R. This GSX-R model comes with a motion track brake system, BI directional quick shifter and launch control. Also on the R models are reported by the sports rider are the same show a balance-free front fork and the balance-free rear cushion shock. The GSX-R 1000R has improved aerodynamics, has the MotoGP inspired slicker and more aerodynamic bodywork and designed to improve the handling on top speed on the racetrack. On fronts it's having LED headlamp, LED indicators and the dual disc brake at front 310 mm and the tire size is 120 by 70 ZR17. The GSX-R 1000R features full LED instrumentation. The dash is brighter and easier to read and incorporate FDMS modes. And the motion track TCS traction control system using the FDMS switch on the left side handlebar. The rider can select 3 different mapping and engine power delivery setting designed to match the power delivery in various conditions such as riding on a different racetrack or on the tight twist road or in the urban or in the traffic or in the straight open highway. The rider can change the power modes while riding as long as the throttle is closed. Full power is available in all the 3 modes. 10-level motion track system offers the rider a wide variety of power delivery and control choice. It's having a Suzuki Easy Start system. The dual processor ECM runs a one-touch Suzuki Start system and an ideal speed system which improves cold start. The new engine has a higher RPM limit and it can drive up to 14,000 RPM and no balancer shaft. The quill vibration, also a mechanical variable wall timing used for 10 years by Suzuki in MotoGP World Bike Racing. It would be a compact and lightweight inline 4-cylinder engine, double overhead cam with cam-chain drive and 4 titanium volts per cylinder set at narrow angle. This engine would rev high and make more peak power horsepower while maintaining excellent low and mid-range power. This engine is 999.8 cc 4-stroke inline 4-cylinder liquid cooled double overhead cam engine. It produces maximum horsepower of 202 bhp at 13,200 rpm and produces maximum torque of 117.6 Nm at 10,800 rpm. Ground clearance 130 mm. It's a 6-speed gearbox chain drive bike. Fuel tank capacity is 16 liters, seat height is 825 mm and the wheelbase is 1420 mm. Tail lamp and indicators are LED. Exhaust system. The GSX-R 1000R 4x2 2x1 thin-walled stainless steel Suzuki advanced exhaust system is designed to increase high RPM horsepower without reducing the mid-range and the low RPM butterfly valve built into the middle pipe to help maximum torque throughout the RPM range and optimize the brake pressure based on the engine RPM, total position, gear position. Rear disc 220 mm single disc Bridgestone RS11 radial tires and 6-spoke alloy wheels. Lightweight 6-spoke cast aluminum wheels contributes to nimble handling and sporty appearance. 190 by 50 by 17 size rear tire. The standard GSX-R 1000R model have Showa suspension BPF big piston front fork outperform the suspension fitted to the standard model sold by the competitor. The design responds well to the small bumps with no more effective compression and damping spring preloaded. The standard model Showa rear shock work with a progressive linkage and a rebound damping, and both high speed and the low speed compression damping are adjustable, as are spring preloaded. The GSX-R 1000R model goes a step further with the latest Showa BFF balance free front forks and the BFRC light balance free rear cushion light shocks developed for racing and adapted to the mass production. Bi-directional quick shift system. The GSX-R model also have a racing type bi-directional quick shift system, allows the rider to upshift and downshift without using the clutch or the throttle. Launch control. The GSX-R 1000R model launch control system makes it easier for the racer to get a good start. Once launch control is selected using a switch on the right handlebar, the system engages a special map controlling the throttle valve, opening the ignition timing. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Those who have already subscribed, hit the bell icon and select the all option to get the notifications of my latest video. Thanks for your support. Take care guys. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.